Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today we are cash stuffing salary for the month of June. This month I have received 16,700 rupees. You will see the budget breakdown on the screen, mostly on the left side of the screen. So now without further ado, let's get into our cash stuffing. So the monthly expenses which I do online, ID will get 1000 rupees, investment will get 1000, light bill will get 500 rupees, milk will get 1800, newspaper will get 300, mobile and internet charges are 800 rupees per month, and gas will get 500 rupees. So these are total 5900 rupees I pay online. So this money will be in my bank account, and for rest of the cash we will do the cash stuffing. So starting with wallet stuffing, spending will get 1000 rupees this month. Then grocery will get 2000 as usual. So this is 2000 for groceries. Vegetables will be getting 1400. Again we are stuffing more in vegetables because to buy mangoes. I love mangoes, period. That's it. So 1400 in vegetables. Petrol will be getting 1000 rupees. Now I have 600 rupees left from last month in petrol, and I'll add 1000 more, so we will be having 1600 in petrol, which is a very good amount. It's good because next month I'll stuff even less amount in the petrol. So now this will go into my wallet. और लास्ट मंथ की मेरी एक्चुअली अच्छी खासी कैच बची है. सो दिस इज 152 20. So this 220 rupees will be used as my spending. So wallet is done. Let me fix this. Now moving on to our sinking funds. Diwali will get 1000 rupees as usual. You can see the breakdown on the left side of the screen. So I'm adding 1000 in Diwali. So now Diwali has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6000 rupees. Again my target is 10,000 rupees till October, and then I will give this money to my mom. Then all birthdays will be getting 500 this time. This is empty. मई मंथ में मेरे मम्मी का बर्थडे था तो मैंने स्पेंड कर दिए इसमें जो कुछ पैसे थे वो. Then my birthday will get 500 rupees. Again this is, I have 5000 का target till my birthday, which is in September. Now in this we have 5, 1, 15, 2, 25, 3000 rupees. Bike will be getting 300. अगेन मैंने मेरे बाइक की सर्विसिंग करवाई, जिसमें कि मैंने इसके पैसे, ये पैसे यूज़ किए थे. सो नाउ बाइक ओनली हैज़ 200 रुपीज़ and I am adding 300 more. So in bike we have 500 rupees now. Health will be getting 300 more. ये भी मैंने सप्लीमेंट्स मंगाए थे, so I've used some of its money. So in this we have 5, 7, 9, 10, 1100. Travel will get 500 rupees. And we have 5, 1, 15, 2, 25, 3000 rupees in travel. Subscription will get 200 rupees as usual. So in this we have 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 1200 in subscription. Shopping will get 200. So in shopping we have 2, 4, 6, 8 and 900 rupees. Clothing will have 200. And in clothes we have 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Did I count that correctly? No. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. 700. Not 800. Special events will be getting 200. Which are these last two notes of 100 rupees. And in special events we have 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 1400 rupees in special event. This is a very good amount. And now last but not the least, our 52-week challenge. In this we are stuffing 4 values. Those are 490, 480, 220 and 210, which is total of 1500 rupees. So these are last 1500 rupees, 5, 1, 15. So this will go into my 52-week challenge. So in this we have now 5, 1, 15, 2, 25, 3, 35, 4, 45, 5, 55, 6, 62, 64, 65, 6500 rupees in my 52-week challenge. So this is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Do subscribe to my channel and please share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye and take care.